It's your girl, Raydoublej. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't pick up the camera sooner, but I have an event coming up soon. I'm doing a sip and sew class with my aunt, and we're trying to get this sample together so we can get our pictures done. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me of me getting the sample together. The hat is already done. Right now I'm doing a sample for the purse, and this is where I'm at with the purse. And the patchwork we did ourselves. It's it's a cute recyclable bag. I'm not really big on recycling, but in today's time, a lot of people is. So, if you're one of those people, you will love these bags. So, if you're close or even if you're out of town, make sure you come join the sip and sew class. But yeah, this is going to be a bucket bag. Last night I got my little, what's these things called? Eyelets. I think it's eyelets. These came in last night. I ordered them on Amazon and they came in last night. So I went ahead and put the holes in there. It is 12 holes total, 6 on one side and 6 on the other side. And then these also came in last night, and also these. So I just took a small piece of jean material, cut it in half, and then I got like a shape like this. And then what I did was folded one side, did a straight stitch, and then folded the other side and did a straight stitch. So just imagine a straight stitch on both sides. And then I put the D-ring through it and then folded it together. Yeah. And then that created this. Boom. But yeah, this is where we are at. The bottom is not on yet. I'm actually about to attach the bottom right now. This. So I found the middle of this side, the middle of this side, and then I'm gonna match it up with my two side seams. Oh, ouch. All right, y'all. So I just finished stitching all the way around. I am now about to take the pins out and pull it inside out for y'all to see. I'm excited and sleepy at the same time because it is 10:37. Can y'all see that? Y'all can't see, it's too bright. But it's 10:37 and I'm over here sewing, like make it make sense. But tomorrow I gotta run errands in the morning, so I'm trying to do what I can tonight. Y'all, they are going to love making these bags. Oh my gosh. I'm excited myself. Like, look. Look at this. Like, just look at this bag. Like, what? 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 Look at this bag, though. Look at this bag, y'all. Look. this is the bottom. I'm gonna just save the rest for tomorrow. I just woke up about an hour ago, and I woke up and finished the example bucket bag that I was working on. I know I got a few clips that I did uh when I started working on it, and when I started like sewing it together, so I jot those clips in here now. But now the bucket bag is finished. This is it. This is the bucket bag and the bucket hats that you guys will be creating yourself in the sewing class this year. The sewing class, it will be a sip and sew class. These are products you guys will be creating, and it is May 20th. So if you love what you see, you love the matching set, come to the sewing class so you can create your own. And if you like Rihanna, I'm just not no sewer, but I do want that bag. But I don't want to sew. You can still come to the class, because we also are doing tickets for the sip and social. So yeah, if you just don't want to sew but you do want to come to the class and buy a bucket bag, bucket and a bucket hat, you can do that as well. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, if y'all like it. Now we're gonna tighten her back up. I'm getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment, so yeah, that's what we're doing. Hold up, real quick, before I get ready, I want to get my mom's opinion of the bucket bag. Yeah, I like that. I like how you did that. Thank you. Yeah, maybe take so what's next? A lighter. Let's see. You do that to the raw edges. A lighter or a glue gun? Which one? Try lighter first. Yeah, well, I don't want you to burn the pocketbook, but make sure you hold it up. All right, now I'm gonna get ready. I'll be right back. All right, I'm already dressed. I had to rush a little bit so I get here on time, but I'm at my next stop, which is the doctor's office. I got an appointment today, so yes, I am here. I'm about to go ahead and say a little prayer before I go in here. So give me 1 second. All right, y'all. I'm about to walk in here. Yeah. I'm so nervous. Hopefully, hopefully they don't have to call people in here to hold me down like last time. Hopefully. This numbing cream better be strong. All right, y'all, so I'm back in the car. So what I was getting, I just got a renewal for my Nexplanon. Just in case somebody else like, I might want to get that, So a Nexplanon is a birth control that you put in your arm. It lasts for 3 to 5 years, but I would suggest take it out every 3 years. Like, it's stronger. Okay, so it's stronger when you first get it put in. So I get it changed every 3 years because I want it to stay as strong as possible. so so yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. So that's what I got done. The doctor was saying it took her a minute to get it out, but I think that's because she was saying that like my the muscles that was around the implant, it was like tight, like it didn't want it to go nowhere. It pretty much, it made it a home in my body, so it was like, no, you're not taking this, you know. It was part of, you know, my body. So my muscles was so tight around it, it wasn't letting it grab. But as soon as she started, like, she was about to get scissors and like cut, you know, the muscles around the implant, I was nervous for that. But she didn't have to do that. She just had to like tug on it a little bit more. She had to numb my skin. The numbing stuff, oh my god, that thing's so bad. While she was pulling it out, you can feel like the tugging, but it wasn't hurting. You just feel tugging. Um, but yeah, I had a little anxiety, but I always have anxiety when dealing with needles or anything going into my skin. I have anxiety. So the nurse that was there, I was holding her hand. I do this every time, every time. Last time she had like students in there, and like they was all like holding me. Like they was all like, you know, holding me. And it was like, breathe, breathe. But this time was easier. This time was a lot easier. This time was easier. But it's out the way. I ain't gotta worry about it for another 3 years. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. But yeah. She said she remembered taking it out last time. Like she remembered it. Like as soon as she started, she's like, "Oh yeah, I remember doing this to you last time." So that says a lot about my skin compared to others. Like, I guess how I act, my skin, you know, that says a lot about my experience compared to others. But yeah, that's what I just got done. I gotta come back and do blood work at 3:15. So I'll be back here. But until then, let's go home. Good morning, y'all. I have a quick update on some things that I talked to y'all about last video. So, I just checked my email and I have an email from the owner of Scrappy Elephant. She emailed me back about my inquiry for the sewing classes that I'm doing with the kids. Um, and she just want to know a little more details, pretty much. So I emailed her back for that. Um, so yeah, I gave her the whole rundown, like how I want each class to go. She was just asking about if the kids, they're new to sewing, are they still able to come to the class? If the kids don't have a machine, can they still come to the class? So yeah, she wanted the max number of students per class. So yeah, I'm starting, since this is my first series there, I'm starting with a low number. I want to start with only 8 kids per class, and then, you know, the next time I do a series, a sewing series, we'll take the number up. But I'm gonna start with a low number. I think 8 is enough. And yeah, it's a series for, you know, beginners as well, so that's fine. If they don't know how to operate the sewing machine, they will be learning while they're making their outfits. So yeah, I'm excited about that. They reached back out to me, and then I need to call um the clothing store back, because I've been looking at my email waiting for that too, but they haven't emailed me back. So I need to call them back and see what they say. But yeah, that's just the update, because they emailed me, so I wanted to let y'all know, turn on the camera and let y'all know how that's going.